there. So in this video we're going to be using tables in Power BI, and it's really easy to use tables. We're just going to go here and create a table, and with our fictional Candy data store or Candy data set, we are going to create let's see, we're going to drag product IDs here. So we can see we have Candy A to K, and maybe I want to know how many customers bought each specific type of candy and what was the revenue for each of those. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my transaction data table and select column customer ID. Now we have all the customer IDs here, which is great but not very useful. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into the values section, and I'm going to say let's count the number of customers. So the number of customer IDs, which correspond to the number of customers. So we see that 399 customers bought Candy A, almost 6,000 bought Candy B, 4,000 roughly bought Candy C, and so on. And then why not just take it a step further? Maybe I want to know the total revenue for all the Candy product IDs. Well, to do that, it's really easy again. What I'm going to do is go to my total revenue column and just drag that in. And we see that it's, again, not ordered very well. So I'm just going to aggregate this, and I'm going to sum them up. So I'm going to sum up all the revenue amounts. And that is not looking super nice. So what I can do is go into Power BI under modeling, and I can change this to a currency general, and then it gives you this weird format of way too many decimal places. So I'm just gonna cut those off and set that to 0. So then there you go. We see that we have revenue of $50 million total, 45,500 customers, and a breakdown of revenue by product. And maybe what I want to do is I want to look at the average order value. It's very easy to do that. Or if I want to look at the average revenue, you can just set this to an average, and there you have it, average of revenue. So super easy, and that's one use of tables in Power BI. And of course I can also customize tables by going into here and selecting table style. Perhaps I want a sparse table, make it a little nicer. I can do that. I can set the totals to be on or off, and I can also increase the size. So let's make that a little bigger. And yeah, there's a lot of formatting options that I encourage you to explore. And that's pretty much it for this video. So thanks for watching.